Hey, this is one of the top 4 things that contribute to causing vertigo. I'm Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the blockages in their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives. So, as I've talked about in other videos, we've got to look at things like your ears, you got to look at your eyes related to vertigo. Today I'm going to go over another piece of the 4 components that fit into that, and that has to do with the curve in your spine, in particular the top of your neck. The areas that wind up controlling balance are held in the pons, which is in the mid part of your brain, and it directly connects to the spinal cord. So it can stem anywhere from just above the hole in your skull that comes out to the rest of your body down to the second vertebrae in your neck. And if there are changes within the positioning of that cervical spine, it'll stress that area out. Also, the neural feedback from that area will alter how your balance works and can cause you to get the spins. What I mean by that is that we should have a normal curve that looks like this, nice and round. Okay. As we go through life, we experience stress, some that are sudden and others that happen over time. They cause shifts that change the configuration of the neck. And as the neck gets configured, so does the spinal cord that's within that neck. As it gets misconfigured, it stresses and strains that spinal cord, causing that pons and part of your brain that controls balance to wind up breaking down. If you've never had this part of your body looked at and you've suffered from vertigo, go ahead and write down below. We'll look to figure out the best way for you to get this checked so that if this is the issue, you can wind up getting the answers you need so you can get back to leading an amazing, fantastic life. If you know someone who's been suffering from vertigo, let's get this video over to them so that they can get the answers they need and the help that they need. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.